On July 9th, Teel Auctions will auction a 1947 Ford two-door pickup truck, a classic piece of American automotive history that's been lovingly restored and enhanced. In the post-World War II era, Ford's F-Series trucks began to reshape the American landscape. The 1947 model year marked a pivotal moment in truck design, as manufacturers transitioned from wartime production to meeting the needs of a booming peacetime economy. This truck represents the rugged dependability and timeless style defining an era. Features include a Chevy V8 engine, 6,134 miles on the odometer, a beautiful red paint job, updated dash gauges, radio, interior LED lighting, wood trim, a deadman switch for added security, automatic transmission on the floor for easy driving, chrome reverse wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich Radial tires for both looks and performance. This vehicle offers the perfect blend of nostalgic appeal and modern reliability. Don't miss your chance to own this remarkable piece of automotive Americana. Bidding is open at live.teelauctions.com.